The Samsung Galaxy A54 has a built-in surface level, which you can use to measure whether surfaces are level or not. Now to use it, you need to use the edge panel because it's built into the edge panel. So to prepare yourself to use it, go to settings. On the main settings page, go to display, tap on that. And then under display, scroll down to edge panels, tap on that. First, make sure edge panels is enabled. Okay, that's the only way you can get that panel from the edge. Secondly, go to panels and make sure the tools panel is among the selected panels. Okay, so if it's unchecked, then it's not going to appear on the panel. Make sure it's checked like that. Okay, and then from now on, when you want to bring up the surface level, simply go to the edge panel and swipe to see the other panels. This is a tools panel. So to see the compass, the compass is a default. So to see the surface level, tap on the three dots here and then select surface level. And now we have a proper surface level that we can use to measure whether any surface is level. Okay, so the level surface is when the dot sits right in the middle there. Okay, there you go. So that's completely level surface. All right, as long as the dot has moved to the side, then that's not a level surface. Okay, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.